Use the Microsoft Viva Engage app to streamline your internal communications. Crafted to feature your community's engaging discussions, insightful questions, popular polls, and celebratory praises. Just note that this app is only available on the Premium and Enterprise plans. To use this app, go to the Apps tab and add Viva Engage. Give the app a name and an optional description. Log in with your Microsoft account and select the community you want to display. Then select the type of post you want to show, how many posts will be displayed, the duration, and refresh rate. Customize the style settings by choosing the font and orientation. You can upload a logo to accompany the display if you want. Toggle on or off QR code, progress tiles, and post image based on your needs. If you display the post image, select the positioning. Choose a theme for the app, and then you can select the default duration for how long the app will appear in a playlist here. Keep availability unticked if you don't want to schedule the app, or toggle it on and set the start and expiration dates. This means the app will not be displayed outside of these dates. Then click Save and your app will be ready to display.